or welcome back to my channel. I'm Poulomi Mukherjee and in today's video we are going to try some easy 5-minute hairstyles for wedding guests. So जब शादी का इनविटेशन आता है तो सबसे पहले हम लोग सोचते हैं खाना. Oh my god, खाना इज द मेन पर्पस राइट, जिसके लिए हम लोग शादी पे जाते हैं. So जब शादी का इनविटेशन आता है तो सबसे पहले हम लोग सोचते हैं टू लुक द बेस्ट. भले शादी किसी और का हो, हम लोग गेस्ट हो, बट हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हम लोग ही सबसे अच्छे दिखे, सब कोई हम लोग को ही देखे. बट एक प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है कि रेडी तो हो जाते हैं बट हेयर कैसे बांधे अब अच्छे से बैठ के, है ना. टाइम तो नहीं हो पाता. हम लोग जो सारा हेयर स्टाइल्स इंटरनेट पे देखते हैं वो सारा करने का टाइम कहाँ मिलता है. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू सम इजी हेयर स्टाइल्स जो कि यू कैन ट्राई बिफोर गोइंग टू अ वेडिंग पार्टी. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Before we get started with the hairstyles, it is very important for us to do our hair care so that our hair looks healthy. Here I am using the Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil and massaging my scalp. All the products shown in this part of the video are purchased from Trell, which is India's lifestyle video and shopping app. You can use my coupon code to get 20% extra discount on any product that you purchase, and that too without any minimum cart value. You can find my coupon code somewhere on the screen and use that. I'll also link the app and the coupon code and every product that I use in the description box so that you can get your hands on it. After I have oiled my hair, I leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it with Mamaearth Onion Shampoo to get rid of the oil, and then I apply Mamaearth Onion Conditioner in the length of my hair. I think that I should have worn. I think that I should have worn a necklace because it just looks very incomplete. So let me put this on. I should have put on a necklace during my intro itself. My neck looks pretty empty. So let me put it up. Yeah, now this is empty. So this was the first hairstyle. So moving on to the next hairstyle. Let me open this up really quick for you. don't know how to put these. It's still very uncomfortable for me, but you can try it if you want to. Don't spoil my hairstyle, bro. So for this hairstyle is actually very simple. So you could just braid your hair. Simple 3-strand braid. You say braid your hair. Yeah, after braiding, like we are trying to create a messy hairstyle. We know, right, how sexy the messy hairstyles look. Take all these hair and then we are going to use our hair curler. We are going to use the hair curler. It's not hot yet. Wait for it to heat up. And for these hairs, you are going to curl it backward, not in the front, but towards the back. Of how do I explain it? You can always go for a setting spray, but I won't be using one because I'm just filming a video and it's really not necessary. But for the wedding, when you are attending a wedding, it is preferable to use a setting spray so that your hair doesn't open up after some time. Found it relevant, do not forget to press on the thumbs up button below and comment down below which is your favorite hairstyle. You could also share this video with your friends and family, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Meet you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, love you all.